Hi all, today I am going to talk about managing behavioral issues in children with social communication disorder. First of all, let us try to understand what is social communication disorder. It's a newly defined disorder according to DSM-5. When a child has this disorder, that means he has the impairment in understanding the pragmatics of the language. So pragmatics of the language means here understanding the inner meaning of the language verbally or non-verbally. The child who has this difficulty, they do not have difficulty in understanding the word or a grammar, and also they have very good cognitive abilities. But still, when they have this social communication disorder, what kind of difficulties they face in their day-to-day life? In their daily life, for example, let us say when they go to birthday party, my child doesn't know how to interact with his peer group or how to greet his friends or elders and how to share the information, and also my child may not understand the rules and regulations of the party games, and also these children hesitate to initiate the conversation. Sometimes they may just answer in a word or in a phrase. They may just answer in a yes or no kind of answers. When these children go to school, they might have difficulty understanding the instructions given by the teacher. They may struggle understanding the rules of the games which are played in the playgroup. They may struggle understanding sarcasm or jokes within their playgroup. So immediately what happens? Other children of his peer group may start bullying my child, or they may laugh at him. So unable to express himself, my child may isolate himself, and also maybe his frustration level may shoot up, because of which my child starts showing problem behaviors such as showing aggression, not listening to parents, not doing any academic work, or not following any kind of instructions in the school. So how to manage these behavioral issues? One of the best strategies I personally believe is social stories. Social stories help our children for the better communication skills, better thinking skills, or better coping strategies. Usually social stories targets at a particular information of a specific situation. Through social stories, we can teach many things like understanding the rules of the games, how to behave in a social situation, and how to behave in a birthday party, etc. We can teach these social stories through picture cards, or in a storytelling method, or in a role play method. Sometimes social stories might not have effective impact on the complex situations like frustration or aggression, but it might have a powerful impact when combined with the other tailored strategies. Thank you.